Well, the leather dye came in today from the seat doctors. Charcoal or dark charcoal for the black portion of the seats and the interior. And then also crimson red, because I've got seats that are, you know, the dual color here. I'm getting got the masking tape here. Doing the back seat first. It's actually in really good shape anyways, but of course I want it to match whatever's in the front seat. So I've got this first one masked off pretty darn good. And we're gonna we're gonna do the red first. If I get any red on the black, we can put black over the red. It should be able to cover that. So I think that's the way to do it first. But let's see how it turns out. Again, from the seat doctors, giving them a little plug there. Andy over there is pretty good. Talked to me a couple times on the phone and email, and we got the right color matching. There we go.